So hi everyone and welcome to a new tutorial. Today I'm gonna show you how to make the popcorn stitch in round like this. You can make a round blanket, a round pillow, or anything in round as you prefer. Just few things we need to know before we start with the pattern. You need to know how to make a flat circle first, because this is based on how to make a flat circle. If you know that, you can go ahead and follow this pattern or the video tutorial. If not, go ahead and check, I'll put the link in the description box, how to make a flat circle, because this is done one row of popcorn stitch, one row of single crochet, which will be the one we increase throughout the project to keep this circle flat. So for that, again, we need to know how to make a flat circle in general before we start this pattern. So without further ado, we'll get started. We'll start with the slip knots. Chain 2. Six single crochet in the second chain from the hook. 6 single crochet. Join to the first stitch. Now I'm gonna chain 1 and I'm gonna make my first popcorn stitch. So 5 double crochet in the first stitch and join them. So come back to the first double crochet, take the loop and close the popcorn stitch. Okay. Now single crochet into the next stitch, like so. We'll repeat the next one, a popcorn stitch. So 5 double crochet and join. Come back to the first double crochet and pull through, single crochet in the next stitch and one more, and a single crochet in the next stitch and join onto the first stitch. Okay. So it looks kind of weird like this, but we're gonna flatten it with the next round of single crochet. So you will have 3 popcorn stitch and 3 single crochet around. So the next row, chain 1, and you see those single crochet, the large single crochet in all of them. You will make 2 single crochet in every stitch. The first one, over here, and then you join at the beginning chain. This is how it looks so far. It will get clearer in the next rows. Now chain 1. So the popcorn stitch row will have no increase at all, it's just a normal row, single crochet and a popcorn stitch or a popcorn. So I'm gonna make one single crochet first and a popcorn stitch in the next stitch. Which is 5 double crochet, and join them from the first double crochet stitch. So insert the hook into the first stitch and single crochet in the next stitch. So the beginning of the row, you can either start straight away with a popcorn stitch or you can start with a single crochet. It's up to you how you want your popcorn to look, on top of each other or alternating. Single crochet in the next stitch. So you should have this time 6 popcorn stitch and 6 single crochet around. I will just finish this row and come back to show you how it looks and what to do on the next row. So this is my last popcorn and the last single crochet. And a single crochet and join. And like we said, 6 popcorn stitch and 6 single crochet around. So it will increase by double in every round. So now on to the next row, which is the single crochet row. So I'm gonna make 2 single crochet in one stitch, 1 single crochet in the next stitch, and I will alternate 2 single crochet in one stitch, 1 single crochet in the next stitch. That will keep the circle flat throughout. Again, have a look at the written pattern so you can follow clearly. So the next stitch is 1, 2, 1, 2, 1. And join in the beginning stitch. Okay, so you see this is how it will look throughout the work. Now another popcorn stitch which will be doubled up. So basically every row of single crochet will have an increase of the single crochet stitch in one stitch. Means we started this row 2 single crochet in one stitch, 1 in the next one. In the next single crochet round will be 2 single crochet in one stitch, 1 single crochet in the next stitch, and we repeat. And in the next single crochet row it will be 2 single crochet in one stitch, 1 single crochet in the next 4 stitches, and so on. For that, so you don't get confused, it's better to look at the written pattern. The popcorn stitches will be doubled up every time you increase the single crochet row, and will be looking like this, and you'll keep your circle flat. I hope this tutorial was clear and helpful. If you have any questions, do not hesitate to look at the written pattern. Until next time, take care. Bye bye.